Welcome to this lecture based on transitive and intransitive verbs. So, transitive and intransitive verbs are main verbs. Helping verb and modal auxiliaries cannot be transitive or intransitive. Transitive and intransitive are always main verbs. Now, we will study transitive verb, then intransitive verb, and we will try to find out difference between transitive and intransitive verb. Transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb that requires an object to receive the action. Means the main verb which requires an object to complete the sense of the sentence. That is known as transitive verb. The verbs which requires an object, they cannot complete their sense without an object. So it is compulsory that a transitive verb requires an object. For example, the boy picked the stone. The boy picked the stone. Here you find that the action that is denoted by pick is passed over the object stone. So in this you find that the action passes over to the object stone from the subject boy. So here pick is a transitive verb. The child hugged the mother. Here the action denoted by hug passes to the mother. Mother is an object because mother receives this action. So the receiver of an action is known as object. So here mother is an object because mother receives the action denoted by the verb hugged, and doer is the child. The child does the action of hugging, and that is received by mother. So here hug is a transitive verb. The student wrote a letter. In this you find that the subject, the doer, is doing the action of writing a letter. So you find that the action denoted by wrote is received by a letter. So a letter is an object because it is the receiver of the action. And you find that wrote has an object in the sentence. So this verb is a transitive verb. Intransitive verb, the verb used without an object is called an intransitive verb. For example, the boy sleeps. Here the action that is denoted by sleep does not pass to anyone. So here you find the boy sleeps. The action stops with only subject. There is no one that receives this action. So you find that the sense is also complete. The boy sleeps. So here the sense is complete, and there is no one to receive the action. So this is known as, that this verb is known as an intransitive verb because this verb is without an object and the sense is complete. Sunil ran a long distance. Here you find that Sunil ran a long distance. Here also ran is an intransitive verb because there is no one to receive the action and the sense is complete. The table is in the office. Here is an intransitive verb because in this sentence there is no object. So here is an intransitive verb because without an object the sense of the sentence is complete. So here we have understood transitive and intransitive verb. Thank you so much for watching this video.